Guys, follow me. If you've not seen Mercedes-Benz for less than $1 million, here we go. This Mercedes-Benz for less than $1 million. This Mercedes 230. This 230, yes. This 230. Mercedes 230. Guys, this for the year 2007. Engine capacity is 2,500 cc, and this goes for 980,000 Kenya shillings, guys, of which you can negotiate. You can negotiate these, guys. So these are the specifics. There. That's the contact of the seller, guys. This Mercedes-Benz less than $1 million, guys. So if you wanna own German machine, here we go. Here we go. Let's look at the interior if it's open. It's locked, guys, but this is the way it looks. I've shown. That's the way it looks. That's Mercedes.
Spark ignites like fire in the lane. Vincent Oceano on a four-wheel spree, cruising the roads where the wild run free. Turbo boost and sunsets collide. Reggae beats humming while we take the ride. Down the highway with the engines roar, Vincent rides, leave troubles at the door. JDM dreams and muscle car gleam, burning asphalt like a street King's theme. Vincent Oceano on a four-wheel spree, cruising the roads where the wild run free. Turbo boost and sunsets collide. Reggae beats humming while we take the ride. From drifting curves to open plains wide, chasing the thrill with no place to hide. Fuel in his veins and the wind in his grin. Every mile's a story where the vibe begins. Vincent Oceano on a four-wheel spree, cruising the roads where the wild run free.
So guys, you can see it's almost late and the vehicles are moving back home. You can see everybody's moving back home, guys. So let me appreciate you so much for watching the video. And if you've watched up to this point, kindly subscribe down below, share the video, and also like the video, guys. So here we are coming live from Jamuri car bazaar. You can see that's the overview. That's the overview of Jamuri. That's the overview of Jamuri. That's the overview. That's the overview of Jamuri, guys. You can see it's evening. You can see cars everywhere, guys. You can see all over cars are all over, guys. All over. So this way we are moving around looking for these cars, and today it rained in the morning, so you can see it's muddy all over. It's muddy. So moving around here, it's perseverance, guys. As we move around looking for cars here to show you. So I'll just move around. If I see any car, I can show you guys. I can share you. And I hope you are enjoying the view, guys. I've seen another vehicle here. This Toyota Passo, guys. There are two. There's a Toyota Passo here. There's Toyota Passo here. For those who are interested in Toyota Passo, this is for 2012, 1000cc. It goes for 610,000 Kenya shillings, guys. 610. So let me show this for those who are interested in this Toyota Passo. You can contact the seller for better deals, or you can comment down below so that we help you acquire this amazing car. You can see it has alloy rims. Alloy rims. Let me show you the details for this car. These are the details. It's for 2012, 1000cc, 610,000 Kenya shillings, and that's the contact of the seller. So you can either contact the seller or you comment down below so that we help you acquire this car, guys. Let's look at the interior. Let's look at the interior inside. Imefungwa? So let's look at the interior, guys. It has a very clean interior, you can see. Very clean, very clean. Look at the seats, guys. That's the size of the boot. Size of the boot. So I'll just show you from here, the front seat. So this is the way it looks from inside, guys. This is the way it looks from inside. There's a screen there. Here. Screen. Infotainment. Also, that's the way it looks. Let's move. Let's look from front. Front view. Also, there's a power. It's power windowed. Look at this, guys. This is very clean from inside. You can see. Very clean from inside. Can see. Also, there's an armrest here. You can see armrest. Nice. Mileage imeenda ngapi?
157.
Or 157,000. kilometers. It's okay, nakutrust. Kwa ule mtu wako serious, ule akuja na pesa ngapi? 580,000 or 200. Let's look at the engine. That's the engine. Sawa, nice.